the
Sibal, why
substance.
don't we go straight to the rules of the, because the rules of the assembly must be telling us how a chief whip is nominated, how a group leader is
no, rules of the assembly don't say that, Malas.
Oh.
There is no rule of the assembly, but this is what has been decided. But this is the convention in every political party. Why, Malas? Because the legislators come into the house on the basis of the symbol given and the election, Malas, pursuant to which they are in the house. They are governed by the discipline of the party, not their internal discipline in the house. And the discipline of the party, I will please.
So the rules, Mr. Sibal, therefore, rules of the Legislative Assembly are silent. There's no guidance.
No, there is no. But there is also, Malaj, there is a particular rule, Maharashtra Legislature Members Removal of Disqualification Act, under which it is made clear. And that your lordships will find at page 140 of the statute compilation. Just let's go there.
Let's quickly go to that.
Yes, let's quickly go there. Lords, be kind enough to turn to Common Convenience Compilation Volume 2. Because what I had done was taken your lordships through the bare list of dates, and I have finished reading the 10th schedule, Maharaj, and my interpretation of the 10th schedule. That it's over, Maharaj.
Yes.
So now I just want your lordships to go through the documentation.
Yes.
So, Maharaj, if my lords have that, Common Convenience Compilation Volume 2, first document, dated 27th February 2018.
Common convenience.
Has that?
I got that.
It's at PDF page 14.
Does it start with the indexation at serial number 37, please?
No.
Ramesh Thapar versus State of Madras.
Well, the date is 27th February 2018.
Page 14.
Page 14. Convenience Volume 2.
Yes.
Serial number 5, Malas.
It's called Convenience Compilation 2.
Convenience. I'm just trying to check.
Murray.
What is the page? PDF page?
P14.
Page 14, Malas.
Page 14.
PDF 14. Malas, prior to 2018, the elections took place in Shiv Sena in 2013. Then, Malas, they took place in 2018. Then they were due to take place in 2023. So this only reflects that the last elections took place in 2018. And a letter was written to the Election Commission saying organizational elections of Shiv Sena were conducted on 23rd January 2018 at Mumbai, and the information regarding the designations and names of the party office bearers sought the Election Commission of India is being endorsed herewith in format for your record. Along with this letter, the amendments to the Constitution were also enclosed. Anyway.
Yes.
Then, Malas, the office bearers' names your lordships will see. Shiv Sena Paksh Pramukh, Uddhav Thackeray. Shiv Sena leaders, deputy leaders, secretaries, and all that is set out. And Shiv Sena deputy leaders is Malas annexure 1. And Malas National Executive meet held on 23rd January. That's set out. Shiv Sena Paksh Pramukh, Uddhav Thackeray appointing the following members as deputy leaders. And your lordships will see Shiv Sena Paksh Pramukh Uddhav Thackeray appointing the following members as Shiv Sena leaders, which includes Eknath Shinde at serial number 4. Lordships see that? So all this information already sent to the Election Commission.
Serial number 4 is at page?
I'm sorry?
Serial number 4 at page?
Serial number 4, Manas, at PDF page 17.
17.
But
Got it?
National Executive meet held on 23rd January 2018.
Correct. Normally, the elections were due in January 2023 when all this happened. So, then we're in the midst of a lot of mess, that's all. Now, let's kindly see. Then the party whip.
What is meant by appointed the following persons as Shiv Sena leaders?
Some are elected, some are appointed.
But appointed the following members as Shiv Sena leaders to Shiv Sena leaders appointed to where?
Which platform?
Which Rashtriya Karyakarani, Malas?
Or the National Executive?
Yes.
Oh, I see. So this is a meeting of the National Executive held on 23rd January 2018.
Yes.
At which these 4 persons were nominated as members of the National Executive.
Karyakarani. Elected are at page 15. Your Lordships will see that at page 15. PDF page 15.
Yes.
You see the elected ones, Malas. Name of office bearers elected. Your Lordship sees that? 4th column from the left. So some are elected, some are nominated.
Right.
And see, if the last column you say list of names of leaders and deputy leaders appointed, co-opted by Shiv Sena Paksh Pramukh is also attached for your record. And that's an extra 2, Malas. So all this is informed, Malas, so there's no dispute on any of this. Of course, the Election Commission ultimately says, I don't have the Constitution. So I will not look at it, though it was annexed along with this very document, the amendments to the Constitution. Anyway, so then Malas, kindly see June 21, PDF page 19. Well, there's one other fact your Lordships may be kind enough to note at page 15, PDF page 728.
15.
Yes.
PDF page?
728, well, if your Lordships will, this is important.
Same compilation.
Yes.
25th November 9th.
Yes.
Now, this is important because this is dated 25th of November 2019. Just note that date. It's important. Whereas on that particular day, Malas, the Uddhav Thackeray was neither a member of the Legislative Council, nor was he Chief Minister. He was only President of the party on 25th November 2019. The reason why I'm inviting my Lord's attention to this document is, please have a look at it. It's to the Honorable Speaker, Legislative Assembly.
Yes.
That Shiv Sena's, Ladyship has it?
715, did you say?
715, yes. Shiv Sena's newly elected MLAs meeting was convened in Shiv Sena Bhavan on Wednesday, 31st October. Meeting was chaired by Uddhav Thackeray, Shiv Sena Paksh Pramukh. All the newly elected MLAs of Shiv Sena party unanimously resolved that all the decisions of today's meeting be decided by Uddhav Thackeray and authorized Uddhav Thackeray to take all the decisions. Shri Eknath Shinde and Sunil Prabhu were appointed as group leader and chief whip of Shiv Sena Legislature Party in the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. The resolution passed in this regard is as follows. That it is resolved that elected MLAs meeting of Shiv Sena party, of the party, with Eknath Shinde is appointed as group leader. So he becomes the leader, Malas, of the house, in a sense. And it is resolved that in the newly elected MLAs meeting of the Shiv Sena party, Sunil Prabhu is appointed as the chief whip. So the appointment is by the party.
This is information to the speaker.
That's right. Information to the speaker. That's how it all happens, Malas. When the leader of the house, Malas, is, or the leader of the opposition, that's how the party conveys the...
This letter is addressed by Shri Uddhav Thackeray.
That's correct. That's correct. Just see.
Because the signature doesn't appear there. That's why I just asked.
Oh, I see.
Oh. Right. It may be right also because it's addressed by those.
It doesn't matter, Malad. It's an information of the decision of the party to appoint these two people as the leader, group leader, as well as the chief whip. Yes. So it is chaired by the Uddhav Thackeray. And it says the party has appointed.
And
there's no doubt about that, Malad. First para itself says so, Malad.
No, it was in the meeting of the MLAs.
No. Shiv Sena's newly meeting was convened by Shiv Sena Bhavan. In the meeting was chaired by Uddhav Thackeray. All the newly elected members unanimously resolved that all decisions of today's meeting be decided by Uddhav Thackeray.
Okay. Now read resolution number 1.
Yes. It is resolved in the newly elected MLA's meeting.
MLA's meeting of so-and-so.
That is appointed. Resolution, yes, is appointed as the group leader of the Shiv Sena party. Resolved the newly elected MLA meeting of Shiv Sena party. Sunil Prabhu is appointed as the chief whip of the Shiv Sena.
So this was the resolution which was communicated was prima facie, subject to what you can say, correct? The elected MLA's meeting was convened.
Yes.
It was resolved like 1 and 2, which
Yes.
was intimated to the speaker.
Yes, but no, the decision was of Uddhav Thackeray.
So, anyway.
The decision is of Uddhav Thackeray,
it
Malad.
doesn't appear to be so, Mr.
It says so, Malad, first paragraph. First and the second paragraph both. Second paragraph both say so, Malad.
Second says that meeting was chaired, and third says elected MLAs unanimously resolved that all decisions of today's meeting be decided by
Uddhav Thackeray. So he is and authorized by Uddhav Thackeray to take all the decisions in the meeting. The decision is of Uddhav Thackeray, Malad.
But having said that, it also appears that the decision attains a certain degree of legitimacy because it is communicated by the MLAs to the speaker, it appears. It may be that, of course, as the unquestioned party leader at that time, he was to decide who would be the group leader and who would be the chief whip. But the communication to the speaker is signed by all the 56 MLAs, and they eventually resolve that who will be the group leader and the chief whip. It seems to be that.
But as I showed to your lordships the law on the subject and the decision of the subject, it will be clear that it is only the party that appoints. No member of the
I
legislature.
understand that because your submission yesterday was that the appointment of the chief whip or the group leader is something which is never done by the
Never
MLA.
done by the-
It's always done by the party.
I'll do, yes.
So if there's your second limb of the submission was if there is a split, that split also, of course, there's no concept of a split in the 10th schedule.
That's right.
But even assuming there's a split in the party, that split is outside the Legislative Assembly, and
Correct.
it can't be that
Correct.
the 56 MLAs decide that, well, we have now merged or we have, there is a split in our party.
It is settled law, Malad. I mean, I'm just indicating this is how it happened, but it is settled law that as far as the whip is concerned, and that's in answer to my lord's question, as far as the whip is concerned and the leader is concerned, it's always decided by the party.
That you said yesterday.
Yes, I'm just saying, Malad, the process was in this particular case this. So if a letter is written, I don't know, Malad, we'll find out. I'll find out. If the letter is communicated,
And Mr. Sibal, on that you may be right also for this reason that a whip is a direction to the elected members of the legislature, whether it's in parliament or a legislative assembly or council, that you shall vote in a particular manner, or this is our position on this particular aspect, on the discussion on a bill or whatever you're doing as an elected legislator. Therefore, that direction to the members is also always
by the whip.
outside
Yes. That I'll demonstrate.
outside the legislature.
I'm sorry.
shows the relevant rules of the
I
legislature.
will, Malad. I will, in fact, Malad, I will show that and it will be clarified. But my lord is right that from the perspective of the format, your lordships may be right that it is forwarded by, but we'll have to check that. But assuming it doesn't make difference to the,
Mr.
to the
Sibal, why
substance
don't
of-
we go straight to the rules of the, because the rules of the assembly
Malad.
must be telling us how a chief whip is nominated, how a group leader is
No,
who would
rules of the
be.
assembly don't say that, Malad.
Oh.
There is no rule of the assembly, but this is what has been decided. But this is the convention in every political party. Why, Malas? Because the legislators come into the House on the basis of the symbol given and the election, Malas, pursuant to which they are in the House. They are governed by the discipline of the party, not their internal discipline in the House. And the discipline of the party, I will, please.
So the rules, Mr. Sibal, therefore, rules of the Legislative Assembly are silent. There's no guidance.
No, there is no. But there is also, Malas, there is a particular rule, Maharashtra Legislature Members Removal of Disqualification Act, under which it is made clear. And that your lordships will find at page 140 of the statute compilation. Just let's go there.
Let's quickly go to that.
Yes, let's quickly go there. Please, you should go now.
Mr. Sibal, anything here in this compilation so that we are closing it now? We're closing this compilation on our screen, so we can go. Anything else?
Sibal.
If there's something else to be shown here, you can quickly show us and then go to the rule.
But let's see this, since this question has arisen, then I'll go back.
So we might as well complete it from this part here.
Yes, just let's complete this part. Let's see page
Mr.
1.
Sibal, if I may, please look at page 710, PDF 723, just in case the essence of the English translation has been lost. This is the same document letter at 710, the same letter that you were pointing out, 25th November 19.
Yes.
It's in Marathi. And that probably will be the essence because it's a translation that you have shown us.
Yes. Yes,
Perhaps
I
Chief-
go by
Chief
my
can
Lord the Chief
throw more
Justice.
light on that. Honorable
It
the Chief
says,
Justice.
गुरुवार दिनांक 31 ऑक्टोबर 2019 रोजी, I mean, I'm sure my learned brothers will get some flavor of it.
No, I
रोजी,
know. I
शिवसेना भवन दादर मुंबई येथे शिवसेने पक्षाच्या नवनिर्वाचित आमदारांची बैठक शिवसेना प्रमुख माननीय श्री उद्धवजी ठाकरे यांच्या उपस्थितीत संपन्न झाली. महाराष्ट्र राज्य विधानसभा निवडणूक 2019 मध्ये निवडून आलेल्या सर्व नवनिर्वाचित आमदारांनी बैठकीची सुरुवातीलाच या बैठकीत होणाऱ्या निर्णयांचे सर्वस्वी अधिकार अध्यक्ष म्हणून शिवसेना प्रमुख श्री उद्धवजी ठाकरे यांना दिले. याप्रमाणे बैठकीत महाराष्ट्र राज्य विधिमंडळातील शिवसेना पक्षाच्या गटनेता म्हणून आमदार श्री एकनाथ संभाजी शिंदे व विधानसभेतील मुख्य प्रतोद म्हणून आमदार श्री सुनील प्रभू यांची एकमताने निवड करण्यात आली. या दोन्ही निवडींचे 2 ठराव पुढील प्रमाणे आहेत. So it says that, well, all the decisions, the power to take all the decisions was entrusted to Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, and an election was then held at which so-and-so was nominated as a group leader and so was nominated as the chief whip.
Well, that's what I thought, Malas. The adhikar was given to him, Malas.
And then it is sort of ratified by all the
Naturally,
MLAs.
Yes.
See the meeting over.
So, Malas, just kindly come to PDF 55 of the statute compilation. 140?
Yeah, that is.
Yeah, this is what it is, 55. Oh, sorry.
No, that.
So 140, sorry.
And then ठराव क्रमांक 1 also says शिवसेना पक्षाच्या नवनिर्वाचित आमदारांच्या या बैठकीत ठराव करण्यात येत आहे की शिवसेना पक्षाच्या विधिमंडळ गटनेते पदी आमदार श्री एकनाथ संभाजी शिंदे यांची निवड करण्यात येत आहे. That's a resolution. So it's a resolution, as Mukesh Bhai says, of
Malas, of the statute compilation. And then I'll come back to the other documents. Let's clear this issue, Malas.
140.